Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, console access and sufficient IAM permissions because you cannot assign roles without them. Next, choose the role type, service, cross-account, or an IAM role for users, and decide why that type fits your use case. Once done, open the IAM console and click Roles, then Create Role. Make sure to reference the specific user or group ARN now, since you will attach policies and trust relationships immediately after creating the role. You now configure the trust relationship, select the trusted entity type, and set principals so only intended identities assume the role. Then attach policies, prefer least privilege managed or custom policies, and test with a limited scope. Once the policy is attached, name the role descriptively and add tags to help with governance and billing. Make sure to review the Permissions tab. If you need temporary access, consider adding session duration limits and requiring MFA before allowing assume role actions. You finish by assigning the role. Either attach it where supported or give the user the role ARN and assume role instructions. Once assigned, verify by having the user switch role in the console or run AWS CLI SDS assume role to confirm they receive expected permissions. If everything works, document the role purpose and retention policy. If something goes wrong, check trust policies, service control policies, session duration limits, and MFA requirements. These are common blockers that prevent successful role assumption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.